Hey guys, it's Kelly, MFTGirl77. I am back from Texas, and this box was waiting for me, and I thought I would share with you. This is from MFT, My Favorite Things. I ordered this before I left, so I don't know if the card kit is still available, but I thought I would just show you. Also, I did open it because it was pretty damaged, so I just opened the lid just to make sure that everything was sort of in there. Didn't want to be a surprise. So, let's check it out. First two things I picked up were two of the MFT inks. This is the Razzleberry and this is Lemon Drop. Just both are very bright inks, perfect for spring rolling into summer. I picked up cardstock to match this as well. The next thing is it's called Monster Sized. This is the Monster Sized stamp and die set. I got this because I thought this would be fun for Valentine's Day for little boys, especially. My son is, he's big now. He's a big boy. He's not interested in puppies and poodles and, hearts and flowers on his Valentine's Day stuff. If the truth be told, he's probably over all the Valentine's Day stuff, but, he's stuck with that for a little longer. Anyway, I just thought this was cute. It has sentiments like, my love for you is monstrous, scream it's your birthday, sending monster sized love. Just too cute, right? So that is called Monster Sized. Then I picked up this is the star window die. It's also a stitched. And then the star shaker pockets, pouches, whatever they're calling them. This was the free with purchase. This is a heart window die. I wonder if there's shakers to go with that. Not sure. Here's the card kit, but I'm going to show you that in a minute because you have to take it all apart. So here's the cardstock. These three are repeats. This is the Jelly Bean, this is Electric Red, and this is a Sour Apple. I use these so much that I had to get more. A lot of Christmas cards were made with these particular ones. I'm running out of room over here. And then here is the Razzleberry and the Lemon Drop. So that matches those two inks I showed you. And then we have the Steel Gray and the Night Shift Blue. And this is a super, God, it's hard for you to see this blue with that glare. Let me pull this out for you. Is that better? It's a fantastic dark navy. I love this cardstock. It is my favorite colored cardstock on the market. It really is. It's 100 pounds. It's like, I don't know, $6 or $7 for 25 sheets. So it's a great price, and it's good paper. It's good cardstock. And then the last thing was this paper. This is the sampler set. And I picked this up because sometimes when you're ordering it online, the color that you see on your screen is not always the most exact representation of the color. So what this is one sheet of every color that they have in this line, the 100-pound heavyweight line. So I picked this up just so I could have kind of a color wheel or a color swatch of everything, because I don't want to buy a bunch of colors like maybe this one that I wouldn't particularly use, but if I saw it on my screen and it looked really great, I would think, oh, I'll use that for everything, and then get it home and I don't want it at all. So I felt this was the good way to go. And this is always sold out, so I think other people are probably feeling the same. So I picked that up. And then, oh, hold on, there's another thing in here. There's another thing in here. Look at that. Oh, this says January freebie. It says, I love you dearly. Hello, dear. You are so dear to me. And it's got a cute little deer. That is so cute. That's cute. You gotta admit, that's cute. Okay, now here's the card kit. This is the X's and O's card kit. And I was so excited to get this, it's always sold out, and I don't always get over there right away when I should, but it's always sold out. It sells out pretty quick. So I don't know if it's still available. I apologize. Like I said, I ordered this before I left for Austin. So X's and O's card kit. This is the stuff you get. Let's check it out. You get a sheet of the Razzleberry cardstock. You get a sheet of the Poppy cardstock and the Wild Cherry. You get 2 of the Black Licorice and then 5 sheets of the Smooth White. And this is all 100 pounds, so it's definitely something you could use for card bases if that's what you wanted to do. You get this stamp set that is, I think, a lot of fun. You be hugs and I'll be kisses. You are Tic Tac Totally Awesome. Sending you X's and O's. Love always wins. Sent with love. I don't want to win. I want to make up. What? Hold on. I don't want to win. I want to make up. I don't know. I'm not sure about. I don't know what that means. Happy Valentine's Day. Let's hug it out. Hugs and kisses. Here comes Penelope. There she is. There's, you see her? Her tail. Anyway, sorry. You get the tic-tac-toe board. You get your X's. You get your O's. You get your heart if you wanted to, you know, use that instead of the X or the O. And then you get your lines to, you know, here's your long one, here's your short one. If you wanted to, you know, 3 X's, you know, you wanted to cross it out, there's your line. So you got that in stamp, in the stamp set. Also, here's the die set. And you get kind of the same thing. So you get your shaker window and frame, and you get your shaker pouches, and then you get your tic-tac-toe board, you get your X's, O's, and hearts, and then you get those cross out lines again. So I thought that was kind of cool. I think it's a cool card set. I mean, it's definitely love themed, but your shaker window and pocket, you know, your shaker pocket and window, this piece of the die, you could do anything with that. It doesn't have to be particular to Valentine's Day. Then, so you also get, and you get this in black and white. I'll show you the black, it's easier to see. You get this massive pile of acrylic pieces. So these will fit into your shaker pouch, and so will your little guys here. They will fit inside there. So you get black, or you get them in black, you get them in white, and then the last thing is you get these little hearts. These pink and red acrylic hearts. Scoot over, buddy. Okay. There's that, and then these guys will also fit into your tic-tac-toe board. So, really cute. I think that's everything. Yep, that's everything. So that is my MFT haul and MFT card kit for January. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I will be back soon to show you some other things, and I will show the punch board. I had a couple of people ask if I would show the punch board, and I will do that. I just didn't get time to do it before I left. So I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.